The biggest mistakes buyers make during Ghost Month. The biggest mistake during Ghost Month isn't buying. It's buying or refusing to buy for the wrong reason. Some buyers reject excellent properties purely because of fear. Others become so excited about finding a Ghost Month bargain that they rush, skip inspections, or overlook documents. One reaction is driven by fear, the other by greed. Neither is good investing. Every property deserves the same disciplined process. Verify the title, inspect professionally, research the neighborhood, and analyze the finances. A good property doesn't become bad because of the calendar, and a bad investment doesn't become good because you bought it cheaply or on a lucky day. Discipline, not emotion, is the investor's greatest advantage. Remember to follow Housing Interactive for insights that go beyond the obvious.